Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Microsoft Print to PDF option missing in Windows PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also face this problem, then I will show you how to fix this problem. Very simple method to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go turn Windows feature on or off. You can see here turn Windows features on or off. Open this option. In this little bit scroll down. You can see here Windows Print to PDF. If here this option unselect or uncheck, you should select or check this option. Then click on OK. That's it guys. So in this way we fix Microsoft Print to PDF option missing in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.